Reliance Global Group is an insurance tech company transforming the traditional insurance agency model. And with me is the founder and CEO, Ezra Beyman. Great to have you here.
Same here.
So tell me about your background and how you came to found the company.
Okay. In the private world, we did a combination of first starting a mortgage company in 1985 from my basement, then growing into the number 3 residential mortgage broker in the country by about early 2000s. Simultaneously buying multifamily real estate, a lot of it in 17 different states. And then starting to buy insurance agencies privately before the public company in about 2000, I think 2005 maybe was our first, I think so.
Okay.
And then when we went public, we first went OTC, then graduated to NASDAQ, and started doing acquisitions. I think it's important to stress that I treat it like the private world. I put $5 million of my own into the company,
Yeah.
not just milking Wall Street.
Yeah. So describe the company today. What is
Today, we have about 8 agencies that we've bought, but a strong focal point of that is 5-Minute Insure, which is our own technology, which we developed. Grant has spoken to you about it, that it's really very sophisticated. We don't know of anything really that really compares to it in the industry. It's literally in 5 minutes or less, you get quotes from 30, maybe more carriers, and within minutes you can actually get the best coverage or give you a few choices of what the best, cheapest, the most efficient, etc., and you could bind it right there. And that's, our agents do that, and that's the idea of Reliance Exchange all coming under one umbrella to do that, giving technology, and it's working.
Yeah. So talk about what differentiates you versus other companies that do similar things.
Okay. So the other companies that do purely tech and using technology to get business, that's a very heavy marketing, very almost prohibitive business, going out after 350 million Americans.
Okay.
We've learned that using the agents who have their own business anyway, so we don't have to spend on the marketing, giving them the tools to be able to compete with much larger agencies, actually competing even with carriers as well, works much more cost effective, and it's doing a service for both our agents and for the clients, for the customers.
For the clients, yeah.
Right.
Talk about the company, where you see it in the next 12 to 18 months. Where are you going? What's your strategy?
Okay, so we did announce actually just about a week ago, we just signed an LOI for a very significant acquisition that would actually more than double our revenue. And very well run. It's actually a family that's 3 generations in the business, and very strong, very well run. And we look for that. And also what we're now doing as we speak, streamlining our existing operation under the umbrella of Reliance Exchange, cost efficiencies, cross-selling, marketing, and old-fashioned common sense with technology together.
No, I mean, it makes a lot of sense. So, and that would be why this could be a compelling investment opportunity for
Right,
somebody.
yes, I do think so. If I could say that it's very compelling, we're almost embarrassed to say that our market cap is a fraction of our annual revenue. So I think it's an excellent deal. In fact, I've put my own money in and bought shares, and have confidence.
Insider buying, that's one of those things that I know Wall Street likes to see.
As long as it's legal, right.
So what is the most exciting, would you say, thing about Reliance Global, where you're going as you build the business even more?
I think using the common sense, using the growing, we last year or so, less acquisitions, but now we're doing that. That's the way we grow. That's the way to exponentially grow, but smart acquisitions. Not overpaying and looking for good management in place. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But streamlining. And the growth could be very substantial. We're looking for really big numbers. We're looking where it is now, and compared to what actually I did in the private world, it's minuscule. We were looking for some much bigger things than this.
Okay. Well, sounds like maybe you have some great things ahead. So thank you so much, Ezra.
Thank you very much. Okay.